Step 1. Calculate all assets. Include cash, investments, property, and other valuables you own. Step 2. List all liabilities. Detail your debts, including mortgages, loans, and credit card balances. Step 3. Subtract total liabilities from total assets to determine your current net worth. Step 4. Choose a tool, such as a spreadsheet, app, or notebook, to track your net worth regularly. Step 5. Update your net worth at least monthly or even weekly to monitor progress towards goals. Step 6. Identify your short-term financial goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt. Step 7. Define long-term financial goals, like retirement savings, buying a home, or funding education. Step 8. Make your financial goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Step 9. Estimate the costs associated with each of your financial goals, researching where needed. Step 10. Create a budget that allocates income towards savings, debt repayment, and goal achievement. Step 11. Automate savings and investment contributions to reach your goals easier and faster. Step 12. Periodically review your budget and adjust it as needed based on changing circumstances. Step 13. Track your progress toward your financial goals and celebrate milestones achieved along the way. Step 14. Seek advice from a qualified financial advisor for personalized guidance and support. Step 15. Stay consistent with your tracking, budgeting, and planning to achieve long-term financial success.